Does spending time in nature produce benefits to human health? Have you ever wondered why most people prefer to book accommodations that have a great view from balcony or the terrace? Why patients who get a natural view from the hospital bed recover sooner than others? Why does it happen that when stress takes a toll on our mind, we crave for time to figure out things amidst nature? A popular practice in Japan called the Sharin-yoku. Sharin means a forest and yoku means a bath. So Sharin-yoku means bathing in forest. This is not an exercise or jogging or hiking. It simply means to connect with nature with all our five senses, which is touch, hearing, sight, smell, and taste. Research has shown that people who practice forest bathing have optimum nervous system functions, well-balanced heart conditions, and reduced bowel disorders. In a study from both South Korea and the United States, participants were shown a picture of natural scene. Both the studies showed that a measurable drop in hemoglobin in the prefrontal cortex. This part of the brain is responsible for problem-solving, processing complex thoughts and emotions. While the prefrontal cortex gets a reprieve, the other part of the brain associated with emotions, pleasure, and empathy experience a boost in an activity. Here are the 7 benefits of spending time in nature. Number 1. Increase in the level of vitamin D. Vitamin D, also called the sunshine vitamin, causes of the region that it is produced when our skin gets exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D helps in calcium absorption that promotes bone and dental health. It can also alleviate mood and reduce the risk of cancer, heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and also lowers blood pressure. Number 2. Boost short-term memory. We all have found ourselves in a situation when we cannot recall a recent event or cannot recall where we just put something. This might be simply because of nature deprived. In one study from University of Michigan shows that students who took walk around the garden did 20% better in memory tests compared to students who took walk around the urban streets. Number 3. Restores mental energy. We all know the feeling when our brain cannot take any more and starts shutting down. Researchers call that mental fatigue. A 30-minute walk in the wood or just sitting under a tree away from all the urban streets would help restore your mental energy. Number 4. Strengthens immune system. In 2005, a study conducted in Japan which aimed on studying the effect of forest bathing on natural immune system. The blood and urine samples of the participants were collected after the 30 days of trip in the forest, and reports were really surprising. The numbers of natural killer cells, granulizing and perforin, were significantly higher after the trip compared to those in normal days. Number 5. Normalizes sleep schedule. In 2003, a professor Kenneth P. Wright and his team found that a week of summer campaign with no smartphones reset a people's internal clock to be in rhythm with nature's. Saliva samples showed that a level of melatonin were found to be higher compared to normal week at home. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. The campers turned in to sleep much earlier than their usual midnight bedtime at home. They also have wake up earlier closer to sunrise. Number 6. Healthy mind leads to healthy skin. Stress, anxiety, and unhealthy mind causes aging of the skin, dark circles, wrinkles, rashes, and acne because of high amount of cortisol. Spending time in nature and breathing fresh air keeps your mind calm by increasing serotonin levels in your body. It fills your life with positivity, which benefits your mental and physical health greatly, thus maintaining a healthy glow in your skin. Another very important thing is the sunlight exposure, which has a beneficial effect on many skin disorders such as acne, psoriasis, fungal infections, and eczema of the skin. It also provides vitamin D, which reduces chances of having skin cancer. Number 7. Helps to center our mind. In psychology, centering refers to our mental and physical state of mind. When we center ourselves, we bring calm to our emotions so that we feel more what's going on around us. Becoming centered is a way to find peace within chaos that might be surrounding us. Individuals who are centered are typically calm and peaceful.